Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to another video here in Greenville. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a drift car, and in my opinion the best drift setup. So, first off, this is the limited M2, so if you have it, I would suggest using this car. It works really well, I'll show you guys. So, obviously traction off, AEB off. Third gear, you can like connect a bunch of corners. You can use the e-brake. I didn't use a good spot there, but like e-brake here. Get back on it. And I can like even do figure eights around these poles in the parking lot, no problem. And keep in mind this is on keyboard as well. Like no controller, no steering wheel, just keyboard. So let me show you guys what the tune is. Alright, so what you're gonna want, the brake bias and the front, other than the tires, the front and rear doesn't really matter. So I have obviously rear wheel drive, that's necessary. Steering angle 100%, so you can catch your drift so you don't just spin out. What I mean by catching your drift, like if you're coming into a corner fast, if you don't have that steering angle, you're not going to be able to hold the drift, you're just going to spin out. Steer to K at 40% to get that wheel lock faster, get it to turn faster. And I did stiffness 100% in the front, minus 100 in the rear, just to level the car out, kind of looks wise, because I have it slammed and good fitment. So that's not really like necessary. Suspension isn't, but rear wheel drives, the steer angle and the steer decay for sure is. Brake bias, I just had that set up so I can do burnouts easier. Steer damping, I wouldn't mess with that. You don't really need it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if this works for you guys as well. Hopefully it does. And yeah, please be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.